So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see Intertake smart plug setup. For setuping, first of all download the Smart Life app, open the Life and sign in and allow the special permissions like especially the permissions like Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. Then guys, connect your phone with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network because 5 GHz is not supported, and keep the plug close to the router. After that, put the Intertake plug into the pairing mode. For this, plug the smart plug into the working outlet. Look for the indicator. If it is not flashing, so press and hold the power button for the several seconds, and rapidly flashing the indicator generally mean the plug is ready for the normal EZ pairing process. After that, add the plug in the Smart Life. So guys, open the Smart Life tab plus add devices and electrical socket. Confirm that the indicator is flashing rapidly. Next, your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password and wait while Smart Life connected the plug. Give the plug and a name such as living room and assign it to the room if desired. Then guys, if the normal pairing does not work, so try AP mode. So press and hold the plug powered button until the LED change, and in the Smart Life start adding the socket plug. Select the AP mode if available. So enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and connect it to the temporary Wi-Fi network created by the plug. So return to the Smart Life, allow the app to finish the configuration the plug. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, also Intertake the smart plug would not connect, so confirm your Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz, not the 5 GHz. Move the plug closer to the router, temporarily disable a VPN, and make sure your Wi-Fi password is correct, and also try to AP mode if easy modes fails. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.